honestly wanted to come to this meeting to get an idea of the trends in the field, get an idea of how people from other disciplines are thinking about climate change and how they would tackle it. And then also I really like the perspective of being able to interact with funders in the field and kind of get their inside stories of how things work, how they consider which projects they want to fund.
This meeting is great opportunity to share experience and global north to south collaboration, networking, to emphasize this is one health, one world, and we need to sharing the experience, sharing the resource, and to giving opportunity to working together.
And I think it's clear from this meeting that we are at an incredibly exciting time in cell biology and climate science, the range of solutions that we have going forward. And I think what I want to urge everyone is to get involved. We need people from a range of backgrounds, a range of ages to get involved in the discussion. This is our chance to decide how we want to build a better future for all.